Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about Python loops. So there are two types of loops. There are while loops and there are for loops, and these are two different things. So while loop contains numbers and stuff, while for holds other types of data. So let's get started. So we will learn about for loops first. So let me just get an example easily, and then just tell you. So for example, 100, and let's say I want to say I'm sorry 100 times. So let's do it. I'm sorry. And now let me run it, and it will keep saying the same thing. So it will keep everything like it will make it print I'm sorry 100 times, as you can see. So you can see there's a bunch of I am sorries. If you actually check here, it's a whole damn scrolling wheel. That's how you know I've printed it a lot of times. So let me do another example. So ex example list equal banana, cherry, gum, meat. And then I'm going to use a for loop to send all of those in one sentence each. Let me just clear everything. And then for x and ex, oops, oh my god, what's happening? For x and ex list and a colon, then write print x. So what this is going to do is that it's going to print it all in every one of them in only one word each, as if it was some sort of word by word. You can also use it to loop through letters for x and let me actually Discord, for x and Discord print x. So what this is going to do is it will print this letter by letter in specifically in loops. If you you can actually use the break function, this break statement, I mean, and it is an error because it is outside a loop. So let's get coding. For x and actually you can just do this, banana. Let's go for apple as well. Apple. Oops. Should have put a string in. That. Orange. And lastly, mango. Print x, print x. Oh, and you never forget the colon, okay? If x equal orange break, you could easily do that. So it's supposed to be and printed from banana to mango, right? And that's because of this break statement. It breaks the loop when it reaches orange. So let's say if x equal apple, for example, it will only print until apple, as you can see in the console right now. So we can do the same thing, but we can actually make the import come last. For example, oh, oops. And I don't think this is going to be any different. Okay, never mind. There is also something called the continue statement. For example, continue. If x equal for example orange, then continue and print x. And what this is going to do is it's going to print everything besides the specified thing, the specified string. But if you take something that doesn't even exist, it does not make an error. All it does is just skip it, and then it just continues everything normally, not just leaving one behind. So you could actually do this when it's it's an x in range. You can just run it, and then when it's finished, it says finally finished, as in the console right now. And this is a really good feature, as it might be useful in the future as well. There's also nested loops. For example, if I run it, it's going to print both of these. So for example, love apple, love banana, love mango, easy apple, easy banana, easy mango, mouth apple, mouth banana, mouth mango. And that why it starts this for the stuff. Why does this start like that? It's because it is a nested it is a nested loop. So for example, I can just do for x and fruits here, and for y in ADJ, it will be apple love, apple easy, apple mouth, banana love. And you get it, honestly, you get it. And the last thing in for loops is that for x in range 6, for example, you can actually just put pass. This is the most simple thing that you can do, and it will not do anything. So let's get started with the while loops. So you can actually just do I equal 1. I equal 1. What? While I equal 1 while under equal 10 print I and then I plus equal 1. So what this will do is it will print until 10. So from 1 to 10. So let's get started with the break and continue function. So for example, if I equal 6, break, it will break the whole loop at 6. So it only goes from 1 to 6. Well, 1 to 5 because I did it at 6. If I do it at like 5, then it will only end at 4, just like you can see in the console right now. Now let's continue with the continue function. I mean continue statement. If I equal 5, continue, and then just there's something that needs to be done. I equal 1 while I under equal 10. Then we add the print at last so that it actually skips 1. Here 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You could also use an else statement. Else it is final. Oops, I'm dumb. Sorry. Print it is finally done. Print I. And now let's test it, and it will print it is finally done at the end. And that's pretty much it for all the loops. So I hope I can see you in the next video, and goodbye.